Outlets crammed too close together? That's a classic code violation that's easier to fix than you think. Okay, so first off, if your outlets are like right next to each other, you gotta spread them out. The National Electrical Code says outlets need to be spaced so you don't end up with dangerous overloads or hazards. So, if you've got two outlets side by side, consider swapping one for a combo receptacle. That's basically one outlet with two plug spots built into a single box. It saves space and keeps you legal. Another tip is to check the distance from corners or doorways because code requires outlets at certain intervals along walls, like every 12 feet or so. If you're remodeling or adding new outlets, always measure carefully before cutting holes in the wall. And don't forget to use a voltage tester to make sure power is off before handling any wiring. Safety first, always. If you're not super comfortable with electrical work, it's smart to call a pro to avoid any nasty shocks or fire risks. Lastly, keep in mind that getting your outlets spaced right can actually boost your home's resale value since buyers notice these details. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet spacing is ignoring local electrical codes, which can lead to fines or failed inspections. The fix here is to check your local rules before starting any project. Another common issue is trying to squeeze two separate outlets into one box without using a combination receptacle, which is a no-go and can cause wiring problems. Just swap in a combo receptacle instead. Lastly, people often forget to turn off the breaker before working on outlets, risking shock or damage. Always double-check power is off with a voltage tester before touching anything. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to electrical work and other home upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need projects done right, making things easier for everyone involved.